I'm Charles Gibson. Been doing this for, this is the 23rd year. Started it 23 years ago with a buddy of mine. He's passed away now. Rode the Veterans Overlook on an 18-degree day, drank some coffee together. We decided we just do it every year. This is the largest crowd we've had. Most we've ever had up until today was 19. There's 30 bikes here.
Wow.
That's huge. Now we're going to ride, we're just riding this Pigeon Forge. We're going to the Old Mill Pottery Cafe Grill to eat, okay? We've got a parking area over there that's near the grill, so we'll all park in one place. You don't have to eat, you don't have to stay, do whatever you want to do. We'll just go eat, have a good time, and then and they open at 11, and we generally get there right at 11. So we've never had a problem getting seated, but I've never had this many people either.
Stop me! You're gonna have to kill me!
Shit!
On three, Slappy Adventure. 1, 2, 3. Slappy Adventure.
Somebody tell you your dreams can't be realized. There's a place for you, all you do is live and fantasize. So you don't have to worry about competing when you're just competing with yourself. And there's no one else that you ever wanna be but yourself. Real people saying real things. Real people saying what they feel. Real people with experience. So you set out on a journey to prove them wrong. Prove them wrong. Prove them wrong. Prove them wrong.
Hey, we out here, man. Time to get something to eat over here at the Pottery Grill. Give you a look at these things.
Hey, hit your boy up and like this video. Subscribe to that bad boy. Don't forget to personalize it. Hey!